everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about some of the important factors which can influence the demand for a commodity. The demand of a commodity depends upon various factors. One of the such factor is the price of the commodity. When we talk about demand in economics, then the consumer must have the ability and the willingness to pay for it. So, if the price of the commodity is very high or very low, then the consumer may not have the willingness or the ability to pay for it. So, his or her demand regarding a good can be influenced by the price of that good or the commodity. The second factor which can influence the demand for a commodity is the prices of related commodities. Not only the price of that definite commodity, but also the prices of the related commodities can also influence the demand for that commodity. And these related commodities may be the substitute commodities or the complementary commodities. For example, tea can be substitute for coffee, and so coffee can also be substitute for tea. So if the prices of tea is increased, a consumer can shift his or her demand from tea to coffee. And again, if the prices of coffee is increased, then the consumer can shift his or her demand from coffee to tea. Again, the prices of the complementary goods can also influence the prices of commodities. For example, two complementary goods such as vehicle or car and gas. If the prices of the petrol or gas increases, then the prices of the car will be also increased. Again, if the prices of the petrol decreases, then the prices of the car will also be decreased, because without gas or petrol we cannot run a vehicle. So the prices of related commodities can also influence the demand of a commodity. Another factor is the income of the consumer. We know that to have an effective demand, the consumer must have the willingness and the ability to pay for it. So if the income of the consumer is very low, then the demand of the consumer will be influenced by his or her income. For example, if I have a monthly income of rupees 20,000, but I demand for a car which cost rupees 1 crore, then I do not have the ability to pay for that car. So my income will influence my demand regarding the car. So it is an important factor which influences demand. Another factor is the taste and preferences of the consumer. The taste and preferences of the consumer can also influence the demand for a commodity. For example, if a consumer has the taste and preferences for a non-vegetarian food, then he or she will demand for a non-vegetarian food such as chicken, mutton, etc. But if the taste and preferences of the consumer shifted from the non-vegetarian food to the vegetarian food, then his or her demand will also be shifted towards the vegetarian food. So we can say that the taste and preferences of the consumer is an important factor which can influence the demand of the consumer. Another factor is the size of the population. When the population of a country increases, then there arises more demand for goods and services. And this size of the population can influence the demand for a good, because the resources for production and the supplies of the goods and services are limited, which may not meet up the increasing demand of the increasing population. So, the size of the population is also an important factor that can influence demand for a commodity. So, these are some of the factors which influences demand for a commodity. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.